This is a second day of Magbot 3 building, and there are certain aspects of this design that I've been thinking about that may not work very well. First of all, the ability of this particular robot to transition as it's going around a 90-degree turn, transition over an edge, may not be able to pull this off. So what we're going to do is make a major design change. It's going to be a much shorter track base, sort of a triangular track, and let me mock it up here and shoot some video of it here in just a few minutes. This is the initial mock-up of the second design. What we have here is a track wheel here, road wheel. Have a motor now right down sunk into the frame. All the frame structure itself is all C-channel, very, very strong. Has two standoffs here, right there. The drivetrain here is a direct drive 1-to-1 gear ratio, and this section right in here is just excess metal. I don't like trimming all my big metal pieces until I know for sure that this is the way I'm going to go. This aluminum is expensive stuff, and I like to leave it intact as much as possible until I determine that this is exactly the way I want it to look. So this is going to be a triangular tread design, very small, very tight. There's going to be 4 of these on every corner, and be able to rotate up and down like the flipper tracks from the original mock-up. What I've eliminated is the center section, the center drivetrain, the primary track, and what I'm going to attempt to go with now is just 4 triangular tracks on the corners. They're able to pivot and maneuver around. Let me put the track on here so you can see how that looks. The track does get stuck on the frame here on the back, but that's just because this is excess metal, and it will all get cut off and trimmed. So this is the triangular track right there. Trim the metal off about right there. Now this structural piece right here that holds the road wheel, I don't know how this is going to play out right here. I'm going to have to attach all the members together. So I'm probably going to use some type of structural support in here somewhere, maybe coming down and upwards this way. I'm not real sure yet how that's going to work out, but this is the design that I'm going with right now. Completely different from the design from last night. Some similarities, but overall the design from yesterday, totally scrapped that. And there'll be more to come.